Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have some exclusive high quality photos of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. These are the next generation Buds Pro that are set to be released on January 14th alongside the new Galaxy S21 series. Now these photos seem to be super high quality and were sent to me by a 100% anonymous source that does not wish to be identified in any way. However, it's crazy how much effort he or she put into making sure these photos were very crisp. All they said was Happy New Year's and a bunch of photos. But anyway, let's dive in and look at some of the details. First and foremost, these are supposed to be priced around $199. If you look at the back of the box, there are a few details. Looks like they will be tuned by AKG as usual. They are going to have IPX7 water resistance. They are going to have active noise cancellation, which the Galaxy Buds Live did not have. And then it says they're going to have two-way speakers for rich sound, which is something, I don't know exactly what that is, but sounds great. Now here's a clear photo of what the case will look like, and I can tell you I'm very satisfied with the matte black color of the case, as opposed to the shiny finish we have had in the Buds Live and the Buds Plus models. This is awesome. Matte coloring means less shine and less fingerprint smudges, resulting in a product that doesn't look like a disaster. But yeah, that's basically all I can tell you here. I wish they sent me a photo of the actual Bud real close up, but we have the full retail box front and back, the actual charging case of the Buds Pro, and the charging case actually opened up. So this is a pretty good look at these guys. And like I said, the release date is supposed to be January 14th with a price of $199. Can't wait to see how they sound and test the active noise cancellation. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.